Hi guys, welcome to Astonish App. My name is Alfred. The last time we did talk about how you can add an icon to your website. So today we'll be looking at how you can give a text different colors to this. How you can make your text display different colors on your website. I'm talking about blinking. So without much ado, we are going to create our new file. So go to file, new file, and you type index. Since I do have most index inside, that's why I used to attach it with a number. So indexes.html, so that the ID will know that what I'm coming to do is an HTML. So as I said, every text do have its own structure. So HTML is also like documents or the letters that we normally write. It is being structured the language that way you use to have your body, your title, all in one. So for you to get them, you use your shift exclamation, either use tab or enter to get it. So now we have it here. As I said, doc type HTML. So our document type here is what? HTML. We are using English language. And then we have our device with here our title document. So you can change this title to what you want, but this is the default title, that since what we are doing is a document, so the default title is a document, so you can change it. So now you are going to create a text. So let's use a header one to create this text. So use your name. I'm using my name, Alfred Yeboah Junior. So let's display this using our live server on our browser. So my browser here is Google Chrome. So as you can see, it has started, and you see it right away. So as we are going to give it colors so that it will display different colors. It will blink, giving us different colors: red, yellow, green, as we created it. So let's see how we can do it. So as I said, you can create new CSS like this one, or you can create one inside the head tag. So for this one, you'll be creating it inside a head tag. So you type star. As you already know, we use CSS for styling, for giving a document appearance, that it will look attractive and then beautiful. So since this h1 is not a class or an ID, in styling it we use the same name h1. If it was to be an ID, we used a hashtag, and if it was to be a class, we use a dot in front. So h1. So what are we going to do with this h1? Let's first change its font size. Change its font size to 2em. And let's see how this is how it is, and minimize it so that you can see it. can use my control B to hide this. Use a keyword. So we use hashtag to access this keyword, and the keyword is keyframe, this one. So you type key and then frame. So this is what we are going to use. So now identifier. So at keyframe identifier, what do you want it to do? Blank. So you use blank here, and then we are going to what? The colors that we want it to appear. We are going to use, let me say, percentages for them. So at 0%, this color is supposed to appear. At 25%, this color is supposed to appear. So at 0%, what color do we want it to appear? When you say color, then you put, let's say, red. Then at 25%, what color do we want it to appear? When you say blue. At 75%, what color do you want it to appear? When you say greenish yellow or green yellow. Let's continue. So after we have demarcated at the levels the colors that we want it to appear at various levels at 0%, at 25%, and at 75%. So we go inside our H1 tag. Then, since what we are coming to do is an animation, we are going to set our animation, our animation to what? Blank. So we want it to blank, so we set it to blank. Blank for how many seconds? Let's say 1 second. And then how do you want it to be? Is it supposed to blink without ending, or is it supposed to blink forever? So we want ours to be infinity, to blink infinity. Then we save it, and as you can see, it's blinking. Our colors are, we can see the changes. But since it's 1 second, it will be difficult for you to visualize it, so you can change it to suit the time that you want. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.